Let's say you have a nice little ROS package that compiles with no problem. But then you add a new message type to your code. So now you have to add a new dependency. That means you have to first edit your package XML and then add it to the CMake twice. It's a lot of work to get your code to compile for simply adding a basic ROS dependency. Similarly, it's quite easy to forget to install your headers or launch files when you are trying to release your package to the build farm. It's all very tedious, and you're spending all your time writing CMake files when you should be writing brilliant new robotics algorithms. The better way is to use ROS Compile. With the simple command line tool, you can quickly add the dependency to your CMake, install components into the proper folders, add the dependency to the package XML, and even update the package meta information. ROS Compile can fix many more common errors, clean up the boilerplate, and stylize your code for you. The package is built on top of the ROS Introspective package, a Python library for examining all the components of your ROS packages programmatically. This makes it exceedingly easy to create scripts that do common package maintenance for you, like converting a package XML to format 2, adding ROS lint test, or even doing much of the grunt work for converting a ROS 1 package to ROS 2. Check out ROS Compile and ROS Introspective on GitHub to automate all the tedious parts of being a ROS developer.